Hello and welcome back to Time with Lydia the Pharmacist. Today's video is a continuation to my recent video on the benefits of walking 30 minutes a day. As I read the comments, I realized that most people have the desire to walk in order to maintain or improve their health, but finding the time and way to do it is quite challenging. There's so many ways that you can get walking into your daily routine. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you some easy ways that you can incorporate walking in your daily routine. Number one, you can walk to work or school. If your workplace or school is within walking distance, consider walking instead of driving or taking public transportation. Number two, you can take the stairs. Instead of taking the elevator or escalator, take the stairs. This can help increase your daily step count and improve your cardiovascular health. Number three, walk during your lunch breaks. Instead of sitting at your desk during lunch breaks, take a 20 to 30 minute walk outside. This can help clear your mind and improve productivity. Number four, walk after dinner. After dinner, you can take a leisurely walk around your neighborhood. This can help aid digestion and improve your sleep quality. Number five, use a pedometer or a fitness tracker. A pedometer or fitness tracker can help you track your daily step count and motivate you to work more towards achieving a set goal. You can get yourself a watch or download an app. So make sure you get yourself one as soon as possible so you can track your step and get yourself motivated. Number six, walk with a friend or family member. Walking with a friend or family member can make the activity more enjoyable and help hold you accountable. It also serves as a way of getting yourself motivated. And number seven, park further away when running errands. Park further away from the store entrance to increase the amount of walking you do. Number eight, take walking breaks during work. If you have a sedentary job, that is a job where you sit down most of the time, take short walking breaks every hour to stretch your legs and get your blood flowing. And number nine, you can take the dog for a walk. Have you got one? If you have a dog, then get yourself moving with your dog. If you don't have a dog, then volunteer to walk dogs at an animal shelter. Or combine your activity with social time by joining a friend to walk his or her dog. And number 10, try music. Listening to music actually helps get you into the mood of walking. A bouncy tune or something with a strong beat can make activity more enjoyable and help motivate you to walk further or faster. And number 11, join a walking group. This helps to promote mental health as it gives you an opportunity to interact with people who share similar interests. In addition, when you walk in a group, you feel much safer. I hope this video helps. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Make sure you hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And remember to give this video a thumbs up as well so it can reach a lot of people. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.